Check out this 2002 Mercury Mountaineer. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: all-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, luggage rack, fog lamps, privacy glass and third-row seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.